Hello viewers, how are you all? Today we have brought 8 geological facts that will blow your mind. And the first one is taller than Everest. When we see the tallest mountain, we consider the height above sea level. Mount Everest may be the tallest mountain above sea level, but when it comes to the tallest mountain on earth, that honor goes to Mauna Kea. Above the sea, Mauna Kea only stands 13,796 feet in height, but when you follow the mountain to its base at the bottom of the Pacific, it's 32,808 feet, more than 3,000 feet taller than Everest. Mount Everest isn't as close to the moon as Mount Chimborazo. Poor Mount Everest. Not only is it not actually the tallest mountain in the world, but it's also not the closest to outer space, even though it boasts the highest elevation above sea level. That distinction goes instead to Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo. How so? Earth isn't actually round, but oval, with an inflated middle. Although Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo is only 20,564 feet in height, its equator location pushes it closer to the stars than Mount Everest at 29,035 feet. There is an island within a lake on an island within a lake on an island. Confused, right? In the Philippines, you will find Falcon Point, an island within Main Crater Lake. Main Crater Lake is located on Volcano Island. Volcano Island is located in Lake Thal. Lake Thal is located on the island of Luzon, and there you have an island within a lake on an island within a lake on an island. Iceland is growing 5 centimeters per year. Iceland, divided by the North American and European tectonic plates, is growing by nearly 5 centimeters per year as the plates grow wider apart. Did you know the Pacific Ocean is shrinking? As North America and South America are moving more westward, the Pacific Ocean is shrinking. Every year, Asia and North America get closer and closer as the Pacific is reduced by 2 to 3 centimeters. A good morning is a good night in parts of Russia. Russia has 11 time zones of just 24 total in the world. So when a Russian on one side of the country is awake at 7 am, another on the other side may be sitting down to dinner. Another fun fact, France actually uses more time zones, 12, than Russia or anywhere else in the world due to its overseas territories. Mexico City is sinking too. Originally built on a lake in 1325 AD, Mexico City is currently sinking by about 3.2 feet per year. The Aztecs filled in Lago de Texcoco to create an artificial island, and the Spaniards created a second location atop the ruins in 1521. Because the majority of locals rely on water extracted from the aquifer below the city, it's dropped a total of 32 feet over the last 60 years. Russia and China touch 14 countries each. Looking at the map, it may seem Russia can swallow China whole. However, both countries border 14 countries. Russia, including the region of Kaliningrad, borders Azerbaijan, Belarus, China, Estonia, Finland, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Latvia, Lithuania, Mongolia, North Korea, Norway, Poland, and the Ukraine. China borders Afghanistan, Bhutan, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Myanmar, Mongolia, Nepal, North Korea, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Vietnam. Comment below how you are liking our content and let us know your interest area. We will make our next video on that topic. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next videos. Stay with Fantasy Factory.